how to add place on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook. Here in Facebook homepage, okay, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, scroll down and go to audience and visibility. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down, and here you can see the place live section, and you can see here the add current city. So for my example, I add place. You'll have to do is tap the add current city. And now you can see here the add current city required. Okay, you can tap this and select country city. You can search this Lucena City. And I search the Lucena City. So you can see the Lucena City show here. You can tap this and you can set the privacy of this place you add. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the only me here button and you can see the pop-up below. So you can set into public, friend, or only me. So for my example, I set into friend this add current city. So okay, you'll have to do after that is tap the save button. And another pop-up so you can share your add place. But for now, I don't share this new place. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully add place on Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.